Hello, everybody. Well, guess what? I have a new cleaning buddy here in the house. You download the app, very easy, and this is called the G110. So he's been sitting over here overnight charging. Now he's ready to go to work. So you have an option of random cleaning, smart cleaning, edge cleaning, and spot cleaning, and he even mops too. So check this out. We're gonna start with the smart cleaning. And even if gets in his way, he will stop because he's got some sensors in the front of him, and that will make him move and reposition. So now, while I'm out in the garage fixing a car, he can be in here helping me clean while I am working outside. Let's say we do edge cleaning. So now he's going to find the edges, and automatically he will start cleaning the edges. Spot cleaning. And what's really nice about him is the wheels that are underneath him. They're almost like all-terrain wheels and tires. If there is like a rug or anything, he'll just go over it normal and just climb it and come back down. And besides mopping, it also vacuums any dirt that it sees on the floor. All the vacuuming that this little device did, look at all the stuff that it caught. So it does work, folks. So just simply empty it out. What's nice is they send you an extra filter right here. When this one becomes really, really corrupt, you can just simply swap it out for a new filter. Here is the water tank, which you have to fill up. That's how it gets the ability to mop for you as well. Once you think everything is cleaned and he did his job, he has a go back home feature. So if you look right here, there is this little plus button. That's the charging button. You just press it and it'll say go to charger. So folks, I set up the charger right underneath this cabinet here, and now he's going home. That's it. He's home and he's gonna charge, and he will be on standby mode until he is ready or you tell it to do some cleanup. When the brand asked me to review this handsome fella right here, I was excited about it because I always wanted one, but I was always wondered how it works. And now after seeing this guy do all this work, I'm truly amazed.